So, uwian na. Alas 8 na talaga. So, uwian na. Pero bago ang lahat, share ko lang yung aking experience the whole day kanina. So, nung umaga, we had the chance to meet with Pastor Joseph, and sobrang blessed. There are almost 20 persons who happen to listen the Word of God, and he shared the verses, yung sa Proverbs, I think 3, 5, and 6, chapter 3, verse 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, not on your understanding, in all your ways acknowledge Him. So, very common verse, and actually ako memorize ko na yun. And pero nung time na sinare ni Pastor nagkaroon siya ng bagong revelations. So, parang you have to put all your trust to God, and sometimes questions din natin kung sometimes even if naput na natin yung ating trust, the question is, talaga bang tinutugon tayo? So, during those discussions, parang nagkaroon ng bagong revelation sa akin na kahit ano man yung pinagdadaanan natin, we just have to put our trust in God, and we not have to lean on our understandings, because sometimes yung ating understanding is very far behind the understandings or yung thought ni God. Sabi mo, your thoughts are not your thoughts. My thoughts are higher than your thoughts. So, yun yung kasama yung mga supporting verse. So, yun lang. So, we are blessed and privileged.